hey guys, let's work on projection. No, that sucks. First and foremost, we gotta set a base and speak up. Now, it's crucial to understand that the most important skill is to always speak confidently with good projection. Think about it this way. When you speak to people, you're in control of a conversation, of a meeting, of an event. So your voice has to exert confidence. Be in command. Now, that's definitely easier said than done. First, you gotta shake off those nerves. If you need guidance in that sector, one solution is to have a small ritual of sorts to set your mind in public speaking mode. Like maybe buttoning your suit, or fixing your tie, or summoning Cthulhu, god of the underworld. It can be anything. Above all, use your diaphragm. The muscle, that is. Don't just speak from your throat. That's how you get annoying California. That's how you get the annoying California girl. I can't say California. You gotta boom, hit the back corners of the room. Hey, that rhymed. Nice. Now, the diaphragm is a muscle, so if you want to make public speaking gains, you've got to work out. Quick, easy, but effective exercise. Take a deep breath in and push your tummy out. Damn, I need to cut the carbs. Now, speak from there. It takes practice. But do you get that feeling like everything is opened up? Yeah. Use that to project your voice. That's good. You can edit that.